Wavelength stream. Okay, now there's audio. I don't know who updated and why they did it, but they did it. Advanced audio properties. It means most things are going to fail. I can't go to properties because that's a scene. I'm going to go through a couple different scenes real quick. And they're going to do some things. Hold on one second here. I'm just doing some things real quick. Save. Close that. Oh, good job remembering your daily. All right, let's see if we can hear this. Hold on.
Nailed it.
Yeah, okay. All right, good. What about this one? Yeah.
Nailed
Okay.
it.
All right. Cool. Hey, everybody. How's it going? What's happening? I don't know what Windows update. Oh, I know what Windows updated.
Nailed it.
I know what updated. Yeah. Okay. Dialy. Is that Southern? I gotta push the tickets. Dialy. I'm not making fun of people from the South. I really enjoy the Southern accent. Anyway. I wanted to do something different today. So I have been spending a lot of time working on a data pack for a secret project. Ooh. My patrons and subscribers may have seen it in the Discord, a little bit about it. But I'm teaching myself how to make data packs. And so I wanted to see if it is yet possible, and I should probably wait until I have 1.25, which I don't, to find out for realsies. But it is still April. Yeah. What time is it for you? Oh yeah. Is it 1:30 for you? Are you an hour past London time? Yeah, it's still April. So there's still a chance. I don't know what kind of a chance. Yes, this will count to April. And, you know, Monkey Bee's probably supposed to be in bed already, unless Bean is going to start typing on the computer again at a fun time when I start talking about him. I'm still so confused by that. But anyway, let's talk a little bit about data packs. All right. So, yeah, he said he went to bed early, but we don't know what that actually means. All right. Where do I start? Let's start at the beginning. So, for those of you that have never done data packs, I don't think I will. No, I probably will not. Also, if I'm live at midnight, it's set to automatically reset the things. What's the word I'm thinking about? The currency? The tickets. Tickets currency. I wonder if it would do that while I'm live. Now I kind of want to find out. Anyway, okay. So, this is VS Code, if you're not familiar with it. It's pretty simple. Over here on the right, you know what? I gotta do a thing. I gotta move this webcam. This used to live down here, but I moved it for one of the games we were playing. It was in the way. I do have work tomorrow. But hold on. I'm going to set a filter here. Filters. Cam normal. Let's get my current transform and then close that. The problem is I would move this while I was doing things, but then when I hit this button, it goes big. And then when I put it back, I didn't change the location for it to go back to. So, yeah. All right. Cool. Now you can see more of what I'm going to be showing over here on the side. So the way a data pack works, it's actually pretty simple. There's a data folder. Inside the data folder, yes, I have. That's Seth Bling. I love Seth Bling. I've been watching him since like forever. He's the one that got me really interested in Super Mario World speedrunning. Not doing it, but I watched the heck out of it for a long time. Hey, me cat cat. Ooh, 100 bits. Cool. Thanks, me cat cat. So the way Datapacks work, it's just a folder, right? It's got a data folder. So this is capture the beacon 1.20.4 underscore alpha 0.1. 0.1 is where we're at right now because it currently is 0. Thanks, me cat cat. Oh, that reminds me, I needed to take this out of my pocket, and I wanted to charge that for tomorrow. Hang on, doing things and stuff, and that won't work because that's just a plug. Okay, well, then that looks like I will do it tomorrow at work, which is fine. All right. So there's a namespace folder. If you're familiar with programming, this is the namespace. The namespace for my project that I'm doing is CTB. I'm keeping it short because I got to type it a lot. But the big folder is the Minecraft folder. Inside the Minecraft folder, there's a tags folder. Inside the tags folder, there's a functions folder. Inside the functions folder, the only two required files are load and tick. And we need to change this, CTB. And we're going to take that one and we're going to make it CTB. All right. And basically what you're saying is I'm going to load the tick function and I just closed it, and the load function. Okay. So now in your namespace, there's a functions folder, and I only have two functions here, load and tick. Tick is empty, load is not. I have a config folder that I'm just going to keep there for later, but it's empty right now. So the load function will do what it says on the tin. It'll load when you load the data pack. So, for example, over here in the Minecraft, I just crashed Windows. Cool. Over here in the data pack, I got a data pack. It doesn't do much yet. So if I go data pack, enable, nothing. So there's no known data packs, but data pack reload. Wait, list. Do I have it? Is it already in here? Oh, it's already in here. Okay. So it's already in here. So I've got file CTB 1.20.4 alpha. So slash data pack. No, just reload. Just reload. Reload. Boop. So now I'm reloading. So now scoreboard objectives list should show me I have an objective called session timer, which I didn't rename because I was working on a session timer objective. Text is not session timer. It is, it's just capture the beacon. Save. All right. So if I do reload again, boop, it's still there. So hang on. Scoreboard objectives. Remove CTB objective, and then reload, and list, capture the beacon. Okay, cool. So I am going to, for now, I'm going to also, when it loads, I'm going to scoreboard objectives, set display, sidebar, CTB objective. Save that file, come over here, reload, and it should appear on the right. Perfect. Everything is now working as it should. Now, there's two, like I said, there's two folders in here. There's pack.thing. Also, the most important thing, obviously, is pack.mcmeta, which has your pack format and a optional description. That if that's not there, it's not a pack. And then I have the pack PNG. It's my profile picture because I can be. So the other thing here is this tick function. Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to do scoreboard objectives. Nope, sorry, just kidding, not objectives, players. So we use fake players. Add. So we use fake players. I'm going to call var timer. Okay, I don't need to call it anything. This will break if a player has decided to create a name called var timer, right? So you can get around that by adding a pound sign in front of your fake players when you're using fake players. But players' scores are the only way to configure data packs. That's the only storage that they have. That's not 100% true in 1.20.5 or maybe 1.20. They did add a storage function of some kind called macros. I don't really understand it yet, so I'm not going to worry about it. But for now, I'm going to keep all of my fake players as not... there is one other way to do it. That, and like I said, that's that new thing that they just added, and I don't understand it enough to use it yet. I'm still very, very new at this. I've only been doing it since Saturday, so very new. But normally you'd do this, but then it won't show up on my scoreboard on the side. So for debug purposes, I like to use real players, real player names. And then we have to do an objective. I'm only going to use this objective the entire time. I'm never going to make another objective unless it's something that I want visible, like an actual scoreboard. Since we're making a mini game, that will eventually happen. So what we're doing is scoreboard players add var timer CTB objective 1, right? So now when I come over here and I reload, you'll see I have a timer on the right that's just counting up. That's all it's going to do. It's just going to keep counting over and over and over. It'll never stop. Now, if I want to make a way to start and stop it, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and I'm going to go back into load MC function. I'm going to scoreboard players var timer switch. Nope. Var timer run. Also set CTB objective 0. So now when the data pack loads, it'll create a player called var timer run. It'll set it to 0. And yeah, that's about it. Over here in tick, what I'm going to do is instead of just running this on every tick, I'm going to enter that for a second. I'm going to say execute if score of var timer run within the CTB objective matches, excuse me, right? Did I get that right? Yeah. Matches 1, then run this scoreboard player's objective. Okay? So now I have a way of turning this on and off, so to speak. Save everything, reload, boop. So now var timer is not running, variable timer, I don't know, I'm just going to call it timer. The timer's not running because timer run is set to 0. But if I were to scoreboard, I can't spell, scoreboard players, set var timer run CT objective 1, now that timer will run again. So now I've made an on-off switch that I can use if I want to. Okay, question is, why do I have a counter running? And I don't know. I don't need one yet, but generally speaking, I'm going to need one, and I'm going to need to compare it to things. So there we go. We've just made a data pack. So now what I could do is execute if score var timer CT objective equals matches. Yeah. Equals does not mean matches. Let's call it 100. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds. All right. Every 5 seconds. Run. Say Hey, Dag. Okay, we're going to do the exact same thing in the next line, and instead we're going to run scoreboard players, var timer, CTB objective. Nope, I forgot set again. Gets me every time. 0. All right. Reload. We're going to set var timer. Oh, wait, let's go back here. To 0. Set it to run. So every 5 seconds, it will say hi in chat. Hi. And then it goes back to 0. Hi. All right. Cool. None of that is what I want to do today. I automatically up arrowed. Okay. Actually, we can stay in here. Let's turn that off. Boop. Also, Twitch enable. Hi, everybody. Have you seen the Artemis Lego set? It comes out later this month. I have not. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, non-binary folks of all ages, it's time for some target practice right here on the Wild West Dan Carnival Fun. No, Admiral Ender, that will not work. No, it will not. That's worse than your daily. I don't know. It's hard to say. But anyway, we got Phoenix, Sebi, Admiral Ender, woohoo, and Digital Knot. What up? I try to avoid them now. Set block 030. You're not missing much. I was just getting coordinates of this stained glass up here. Ready? Here we go. In 3, a 2, and a 1. Oh gosh, Sebi! Sebi, you just pulled ahead of Monkey Beat, you big beanie! Wow. There's already an SLS one. Thing may never fly, and there's already a set for it. Monkey Bee, I believe, had 22. And now Sebi has 23. And I owe $34. Okay. All right. So, one of the things that I want to do. So, I'm making a game where there are 2 teams. There's a red team. There's a red team and a blue team. For now. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, it's always blue, right? It's so boring. I would prefer purple and orange or something. I don't know. Something different. We'll figure it out. And I want people to be able to steal the thing so everyone's confused. And it's going to go to Emerald. Your goal is going to be closer over here because it can be. Okay, cool. Hey, why did the Can Crusher quit his job? Why did the Can Crusher quit his job? Because it was so depressing. Hashtag dad jokes.
Nailed it.
Okay. So depressing. Anyway, we're going to change that real quick to that and that. I will allow your hate. Put that there. Put that there. Okay, cool. All right. So the goal is you have to get the beacon from here and put it over here. Okay? So let's find out what that coordinate is and that coordinate is. So set block. So this is, that is red wins. So we're going to go back into here. And come down here, comment, red wins, execute, if, block, at that coordinate is beacon. Run, set block. I lost the coordinate of the other one. Hold on, wait a second. This one here is 030, 030, 030, red stained glass pane. Okay. Blue wins. Execute. If block, that's it. If block, I don't know the coordinates. 528, so it's going to be 528. I'm guessing. Beacon, run, set block, 030. Blue stained glass pane. Not light blue, just blue. All right, save that. So, now, theoretically, did I get that right? Is it, it's minus 5, 2, minus 8. I was totally wrong. Hang on, minus 5, 2, minus 8. Save again. All right, so now this is running every single tick of the game. This is basically, think of this entire file, this tick.mc function, this whole function is a repeating command block, okay? So, if I break this beacon, I break that beacon, I didn't reload, but that's something we're going to do right now is we're going to put this right here. Reload. And we're going to put a button on there. Cool. That'll reload. Excellent. All right. So now, if I put a beacon right here, it changes that to red. If I put a beacon right here, it changes that to blue. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty easy. I kind of want to figure out how to set that back to normal. However, I don't really care. Because in reality, that'll be the end of the game. So there'll just be a reset, and the reset will also take that away. All right. So let's also add in some titles. Nope, not that one. This one. Tell raw assign title generator. Here we go. Great. Turn off notifications. All right. Red wins. Bold. Red. Red. Yeah. Duration 5 seconds. Fade in 1 second. Blah, 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 blah. Do it at everybody. Generate the command. Copy. All right, we're going to come in here. We're going to do this. Boop. We're going to come down here. We're going to do this. Change that to blue. Change that to blue. Remove that. Add this at the beginning. So now, when you win, blue wins. Oh, right. That shouldn't be tick. Thank you. Thank you. It's for people who... Why was that? Wait a minute. That shouldn't be blue. Hold the darn phone here. I was trying to figure out if blue actually won. Wait a minute. Minus. I copied and pasted. Nailed it. All right. Save. Reload. Red. Blinky, blink, blink, blink. Cool. All right. So now we're going to make a function. So over here, we're going to make a function. I'll put it in config because I like it there. It's going to be called win red. Okay. So now all the stuff that I have for red, this specifically, we're going to copy that and put it here. We're going to come back over to tick. We're going to copy this part. We're going to come over here. We're going to put it there. Also, in this, instead of just calling it win red, I'm also going to call it an MC function so that it actually becomes a thing. Wouldn't blue be sad if it doesn't always win? I mean, wouldn't it be sad anyway? All right, so now, when this happens, instead of, okay, that wasn't quite the select I wanted. Instead of doing those two things, we're going to run a function. It's going to be CTB colon config / win red. Now, two things need to happen. I don't want to call this regularly. There's no while. Execute. No. All right. So this will find out if red wins. This will find out if blue wins. So we're going to make another scoreboard. How are we going to do this? So when that block is on that spot, then that'll be it. All right, hold on. Minecraft thing that I just thought about. Give me, I guess, emerald block. How do I make it unbreakable? It's invulnerable. Still the wrong one. Can destroy. No, cannot can destroy. I want. Isn't there a way to make it so it's not breakable? It's here. Not custom model data. It's custom tag. Unbreakable colon 1. It's just unbreakable. Okay. So let's do that. Unbreakable. I don't need text. So I can take out the text. Red. Okay, so it's just colon unbreakable colon 1. Okay, let's try it. Unbreakable colon 1. I don't know the differences in 1 and 1B, but that's always a thing. So that's got a tag on it. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to take a pickaxe. Pickaxe! I'm going to switch to survival mode. Okay. Less effective than I wanted it to be. This is 4 years ago. I don't know if there's a way. Anyone know of a way? It might not be possible. Max power. Nice. Yeah, it looks like it's not actually possible. Okay. All right. Well, then I'm not going to worry about it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, non-binary folks of every age, it's time once again for the target practice. Let's see if Sebi loses his 1 ticket lead. Wouldn't that be funny? If Sebi loses and it ties with Monkey Beat, I might have to end stream now just for fun. Okay, the real thing I want to do is the thing I should probably do. Don't you dare. Oh, I dare. Oh, I dare. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. All right, everybody. We'll see you next time. And remember, as always, my name is... I'm just kidding. See? Now, smart play, Sebi. would have been, don't play again. You had the lead. No one could catch up to you by the end of stream unless like Ender gets 5 or 6 different cactus hits. But no. Had to be greedy. All right. Let's adjust me inventory a little bit. I'm going to use a lot of beacons. Probably going to use a lot of command blocks and some buttons. And some concrete. White, green, red, and the purple. All right. Green, red, purple. Cool. Boop, boop, boop. Baton. The signs. By the way, bamboo's my new favorite sign. I use it everywhere. It's only fun if you keep playing. All right. Test. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take that command block. I changed about a week ago. 2 weeks ago? No, maybe more than that now, but I haven't played a lot. I moved my my throw item keybind from Q to Z. It's actually something that I heard that Tango did. So I wanted to try it because I'm tired of throwing my sword a lot, mostly my pick. Tired of throwing my pick. So I'm still getting used to it, but and I can still quickly, Control Z and do a whole thing, or Shift Z and do a whole stack or whatever. But here's what we're gonna do: give Wild West Dan beacon with a tag of. Now, can I just make a custom tag? I just want a tag of red. Right? So it's got one tag on it. There's a way to inspect things now, right? It's not inspect. Is it inspect? All right, you all say it's inspect, but that's not right. That's a spigot. Core Protect has inspect. Looking through the commands. List of all available commands in Java Edition. Show. Advancement attribute. I don't think that's it. Ban, add, ban, boss bar, clear, clone, damage, data. It's data. Get entity. Oopsie. All right, so it does not keep the tag. Yeah, all of my mods are key bound all over the place. In order of when I did it. Reset. Oh no. There should be a way to like just save all of your keybinds and transfer them from instance to instance. Wouldn't that make life nicer? Do it. No. Why can't you mine stone? I don't know what that means, but cool. All right. Display. Hang on, I need a name. I need a name. Value component type. Oh, okay. Red team beacon. Bold. Let's get rid of this. I was close, by the way. It's definitely close here. So it's Minecraft beacon display. I was actually really close. Boop. Beacon display colon open thingies. Curly brackets. Those are curly brackets. Hey, clear heart. Way to ignore our stream. Why am I ignoring streams? What? Are you streaming during my time slot and being mad at me? All right, so now I have a beacon named Red Team Beacon. I probably should have colored it red, but that's okay. Go away. So it was there. I'm going to do the same in data get block. So this has a custom name. All right. So can I test for block? Test for block doesn't exist anymore. Execute if block beacon. Test, execute. There's too many of those. Execute if block, Minecraft beacon, display name, blah, 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 blah. Run, say, red. And Kuya said, well, it's his stream time. I mean, he's right. He is indeed correct. Also, in Minecraft, when you use that face in Twitch, it has what looks like a bowl with the letters ROFL on top of it. Rolling on the floor laughing. Raffle, if you will. So, minus 12, 1, 8. Those are correct. All right. Let's bring this into VS Code for a second. What happens here? So this is wrong. Why is it wrong? Unknown key. 20. I'm doing pretty good. Is test for a block actually a thing? I don't see it. Hold on. Is it a bedrock only? Wow, test for block exists. Huh. Well, that doesn't help. Nope, I'm trying to get it without test for block. And you're not helping me at all. All right, next question. If I throw you on the ground and I go into survival mode, so that we know is called the red team beacon. It's still called red team beacon. If I place it again, pick it up. Okay. Minecraft Java. I don't know. I won't. I won't forget my free daily. I just can't do it. But I won't forget. So if I did, all right, let's try switching this out a little bit. Couple things. What am I looking for? Functional blocks. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, non-binary folks of all ages, it's time. We're doing it. Can't stop us. And it's time for a break right after this, which is good because I gotta get my those meds. But we got Sebi, we got Ender, and we're gonna end the stream right now before we find out the results. Goodbye, everybody! Game rule. Do mob spawning false. How do I get rid of peaceful animals? Yeah, whatever. Okay. I'm in survival mode. So, I have learned that if I place down a beacon that is named, then it will retain the name. No, it's just the luck of the draw. So, data get block. So custom name colon space blah blah name. So that same execute we have. Execute if block Minecraft beacon custom custom name colon name it still doesn't, it's not able to get that data. Oh, wait, hold on. There's that and that. Hey! Hey! Well, that's interesting. That's interesting. Oh, we gotta take a break. Hey, we gotta take a break. Because everybody's gonna get ads in a second. In about 20 seconds. So, we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'm not even gonna do words on stream. I'll do words on stream, but I gotta start it manually. Be right back. Be right back. Don't go anywhere. We haven't left yet. Hold on. Enable. Log in. Copy. Copy the link. Copy the link. You have to, it's a new link every single day. It's super annoying. Okay. Start. Okay. I'll be back. It seems no matter what I do, I can't stream good. I I can't place a block and have it keep its custom tags. So that's too bad. You know what? Hold on. Let's try this. Let's try this. Minecraft Java Edition. Installations. No, it's not Fabric. It's just latest release. Oh, we're already at 1.20.6. I don't want to edit it. I just want to load it. I just want to load it. I doubt it'll work any better. 1.20.5. No, MC Stacker will work. MC Stacker will work. I have it on the 1.20.3, but if I just release that and go to versions, current is 1.20.5. Give. Beacon. Beacon's going to have a name. It's going to have an item name. Wait, item name? Custom name. Custom name. Red team flag. And that's going to be bold. And it's going to be red. Has to be red, y'all. But we're also going to put a tag. Custom data. Tag colon. Red. No, flag red. Flag red. Flag red. It's a flag red. All right. So there is my thing there. Prepare. Oh, look at the new menus. Cool. Cool. Server. No, not hardcore. Creative, difficulty peaceful, allow commands on. World type super flat. You know, we're just gonna do a classic flat. Minecraft, almost classic flat. Jungle, because it's the only way to do it. All right, we're done with that. More. Let's look at some game rules. I would like keep inventory after death. Sleep percentage 1. Spawn radius 0. Spectators can do the things. Forgive dead players. Universal anger. Phantoms are off. Always. Drops are okay. No advance the time of day. No fire spread. No weather. Broadcast command block output off. Broadcast command commands is on. Send command feedback is on. That's okay. Done. Experiments. Let's put bundles and update 21. No. And there are no data packs that I really want. So that's okay. Go. Go. Let's go. All right, cool. /TP 0. Whatever height I'm at. 0. Cool. Set world spawn. First things first. This is always first. Don't know why. It's just first. There it is. You don't appear to have game sounds. Browser. Game. Okay, but it was off. Weird. Cool. All right. I got audio. I'm bringing home the bacon, y'all. All right. And then last but not least, the possibly most important part is the purple stained glass that I missed. All right. That's 0. Anyway, what were we doing? We were doing this. So, bold, true, color red, text, red team flag, custom data equals, tag flag red 1. We're going back to Mixer. All right, now /data get block that one. Custom data tag flag. It has the tag right there. Execute. If data block that one something. I didn't think that would work. Let's try it with some quotes. Nope. All right. Execute if block. Technically, I don't need the namespace to do that correctly. Okay. Next, we can look at custom underscore data. I'm gonna have to learn all the new things. Custom underscore data. Open the squigglies. Close the squigglies. Ooh, someone's rolling the D20 and got a 17. GG. That's one more bonus ticket. Deep Blue Tango. I apologize for not saying hello earlier. I missed you coming in. Hello. Welcome. Oh, it might be totally different. GG Ender. Sorry, I'm totally distracted. This is a terrible thing to do while streaming. Someone should make a techno version of this song. Like that. Flag red. All right. If data test failed. All right. Well, that's okay. We did a thing. I want to execute if block. Duplicate. Duplicate. All right. Hang on. Boss bar damage, data burge, data effect, execute if entity. I want execute if not entity. Execute if entity, huh? A lot of entities. So we're closer. So we know this still contains the tag even after it's put down. Now I need to figure out, how many did you have? 17. Yeah, you'd have to hit it twice, and Sebi would have to lose one of those times. Test failed. If I get rid of beacon and just leave components? Test failed. Test failed. Test passed. Yay. All right. Well, so here's the thing. We're not going to make this now, because I need to write this whole thing in 1.20.5-ish. 6, really. But that's cool. So it's doable. Interesting. All right, hold on one second. Apparently I just switched to Fireball. That was the thing that just happened. You may or may not have noticed. I noticed. It was weird. I yawned a little bit. Oh, hey, there's a Kuya went live. 7:02. No, I'm good. Record server, automatic recording off. Okay, I think we're good now. Single player, Datapack test world, play selected world. Open this up. Hang on. Holy Christmas. You'll see in a second. You'll see in a second. It's called Fireball. Do 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 do. Bye. Anyway, that was weird. So, This is what I've been working on in secret. You guys are getting a preview. I'm not showing anybody else this yet, but function st reset. All right. So I made a data pack called session timer. So the way you use it, you log in, type function book. Oh, no, sorry. st:book. It gives you a book. It's called Dan's Session Timer Controller. When you open it up, you have some controls. You can start the timer. You can pause the timer. You can resume the timer. So this is for YouTubers who are filming things and want to do some sort of time, like 30 minutes, for example. And they want to record for 30 minutes and do things. You could allow time to pass. You could set it so daylight cycle's running, which is running now. You can set it so that it's not running now, but it will start to run when the session begins. So over here you can see day-night run is set to true. One is true. That's how programming works. But I could change it to noon right now. That'll make life a little bit easier for us. Thought the moon was round. This is Minecraft. Why would it be round? You can change if you want weather or not. Right now I don't want weather. But when we start the session, sure, let's do some weather, right? What session number am I on? I'm currently on session number 2, and it is stopped. So let's go back to session number 1. And I am smart enough that I check to make sure you can't go negative, because you're not going to go before session 2. And do you want fireworks at the end of the session? Heck yeah, I do. Heck yeah, I do. I want fireworks at the end of the session. You could change so that your tab menu has hearts. Do I have that on? Yeah. So see, when I hit tab, there's hearts. But maybe I don't want hearts, so I could do nothing. Now when I hit tab, nothing happens because it's not open to LAN. Hold on, open to LAN. It still doesn't work, which is fine. Whatever, it's fine. But the hearts would be gone if I could do it. And then session time for Wild West Dan, family-friendly charity content creator. WildWestDan.tv. Ooh. No, thank you. But yeah, so I could start it, for example, and it'll do the thing. So it says 3, 2, 1, begin session 1. And now this is running. And when this equals this, it'll end. So it also should have started the daylight cycle. So there you go. You can see the sun is moving. Very, very slightly, but it's moving. So if I were to manually scoreboard players set var session length, st config objective is, let's go with 1,000. What's happening? That didn't appear to change? Question mark? var session length, st config objective. Oh, wrong objective. Hang on. I have 2 objectives. This is the problem with the test world. All right, let's go to 1,500. Bam. Okay, there we go. That's better. So then when the session's over, it'll stop the timer. It'll announce it in chat. And it'll shoot off fireworks above every player's head. Just so you know that it's over. It doesn't stop the daylight or anything like that at the end of a session. I didn't want to bother. But with the book, you can just go back and do other things. But yeah, that's what I've been working on the past couple days. You can infer from that what you will about secret projects, but there you go. Yeah, I had a fire issue. I tried lightning for a while at the end of a session. Bad things happened. All right, but ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, non-binary folks of all ages, that's going to be it for me. That's going to be the end of our time together for today because I'm sleepy. Skunkworks, they're not involved. Hey, Sebby, thanks for being first today. Me, Cat. Thanks for it's 8:51. Yeah. And I'm exhausted. I'm going to work every day, and it's annoying work. And I really don't know. I really no. I get the reference. I get you. I'm with you. I really don't think Thursday mornings are coming back. Which is really, really upsetting me. So trying to figure that out still. I'm hoping I can move it to like Friday afternoon. So I'd be able to start like 1 o'clock my time. Which would be, how far ahead are you right now? You're 5 hours. So, 4 hours. So I'm 4 behind UTC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could have done that in my head. It'll be like 5 p.m. across the pond, UTC. Which is later than I want, but I don't know. I don't think they're going to go for it. But anyway, we'll see. Hey, we didn't raise any money today for Boston Children's Hospital, but I still owe $34 at the end of the year. Oh man, I'm gonna yawn. I'm gonna be playing with some Datapacks. I'm gonna. One of the problems that I always had with Capture the Beacon is I never got the beacon part to work. You couldn't track it. And I was going to have to, like, if you break a beacon, replace it on the ground with a different item, which is possible. Make sure that item was named, and then if it ends up on the ground and then despawns, it would have to go back over. So I don't know. But yeah. I gotta learn new stuff. Need to learn Java. No, I can do it all with Datapacks. You can do the whole thing with Datapacks. So it's actually pretty neat. I just need to learn NBT custom scripting. Is it scripting? I guess scripting's the right word. Refresh. Okay. Yeah, scripting, exactly. Let's look for extra life. No tags are found. What? Do-do-boo-doo-ba-doo. Ba-doo-boo-doo-ba-doo. Do-do. Ooh, Mr. Taco. Oh, he's even in my list. I don't usually look that high. It'll be a cool TV show. Man, there's a lot of people playing games tonight. All right, board games or golf with your friends? Or Satisfactory with a filthy mouth? But a big heart. Hey, somebody has to answer. I'm just going to fall asleep here. I'm going with golf. And you can't stop me. Scripting sounds like writing macros. Kind of, yeah, a little bit. Space Point Raid, go. Banana Poet. Y'all, if you haven't hung out with Banana Poet before, you are going to love her to death because she's awesome. And they're playing golf with friends. So you could probably play too. Right now she's trying to do basketball, and it's being difficult. Yeah, there it is. All right. Anyway, you can't see it. I can see it. I got distracted. We're going to go raid. I want to thank y'all for being here. I love all of you to death. You are all amazing, and I really appreciate all of the time that you spend with us here together. And I would not want to do it without you. So let's go raid Banana Poet, and then I'm going to bed. And I will see all of you sometime later. Hopefully Friday. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll keep you in the loop. I don't know what we're doing. I won't forget my free daily. Also, what I won't forget is to say that my name is Wild West Dan. Love you all. Oh, I raided Banana Poet last Tuesday too. Oh well, I'll allow it. She's awesome.